What if the person you love slowly forgot your name, your face, and even who they are? That's exactly what Alzheimer's disease does. It slowly destroys the brain, one nerve cell at a time. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more fascinating anatomy and medical explanations that help you understand how your body really works. The human brain is the most complex organ in your body. It contains around 86 billion nerve cells, called neurons. These neurons constantly communicate using tiny electrical and chemical signals, allowing you to think, learn, remember, speak, move, and recognize the people around you. The brain is divided into several regions, each with a special job. The frontal lobe controls decision-making, planning, personality, and problem-solving. The parietal lobe processes touch and helps you understand the world around you. The temporal lobe is responsible for hearing, language, and memory. The occipital lobe processes everything you see. Deep inside the brain is a small but extremely important structure called the hippocampus. This area creates new memories and helps store information you experience every day. Every conversation you have, every face you recognize, and every lesson you learn depends on healthy brain cells working together. These neurons communicate across tiny gaps called synapses. Special chemicals known as neurotransmitters carry messages from one neuron to another in fractions of a second. Billions of these signals travel through your brain every moment, making it possible to remember birthdays, solve problems, speak clearly, and control your emotions. Healthy brain cells also have their own cleaning system. They remove damaged proteins and waste before they can build up and cause harm. This remarkable system keeps your brain functioning smoothly throughout your life. But Alzheimer's disease slowly begins to destroy the system. Scientists do not know the exact cause of Alzheimer's disease, but they understand many of the changes that happen inside the brain. One of the first problems involves a protein called beta amyloid. Normally, this protein is removed from the brain, but in Alzheimer's disease, beta amyloid sticks together and forms sticky clumps called plaques. These plaques collect between neurons, making it harder for brain cells to communicate with one another. Another harmful protein called tau also begins to change. Under normal conditions, tau helps support the internal structure of neurons. But in Alzheimer's disease, tau twists into tangled fibers, known as neurofibrillary tangles. These tangles block the transport system inside nerve cells. Nutrients and essential materials can no longer move properly through the neuron. As a result, the cells become weak, stop functioning normally, and eventually die. As millions of neurons die, the brain gradually shrinks. One of the first areas affected is the hippocampus, which explains why memory loss is usually the earliest symptom. Over time, the disease spreads to other parts of the brain responsible for language, reasoning, decision-making, emotions, and movement. As more brain cells die, simple daily activities become increasingly difficult. Several factors increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. The greatest risk factor is growing older. Having a family history of Alzheimer's or certain inherited genes can also increase the risk. Other conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, smoking, physical inactivity, poor sleep, and repeated head injuries may also contribute to the development of the disease. However, it is important to remember that Alzheimer's disease is not a normal part of aging. Many older adults never develop it. The earliest symptom is often forgetting recently learned information. A person may ask the same question repeatedly, forget conversations, misplace everyday objects, or miss important appointments. As the disease progresses, people may struggle to find the right words during conversations. They may become confused about dates, time, or familiar places. They may have difficulty making decisions, handling finances, or completing tasks they once found easy. Mood and personality can also change. Some people become anxious, depressed, suspicious, or easily frustrated. Others withdraw from family and friends because they find social situations confusing. In the later stages of Alzheimer's disease, patients may no longer recognize their loved ones. They may lose the ability to communicate clearly, have difficulty walking, eating, or swallowing, and eventually require full-time care for even the simplest daily activities. Although there is currently no complete cure for Alzheimer's disease, treatments can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life for some patients. Certain medications help improve communication between the remaining healthy brain cells. Newer treatments may slow the buildup of harmful beta-amyloid proteins in people diagnosed during the early stages of the disease. Doctors may also recommend memory exercises, physical therapy, speech therapy, healthy nutrition, regular exercise, and emotional support for both patients and caregivers. Early diagnosis is especially important because treatment is generally more effective before significant brain damage has occurred. Researchers around the world continue working to develop better treatments and, one day, a cure for Alzheimer's disease. Although Alzheimer's disease cannot always be prevented, adopting healthy lifestyle habits may reduce your risk. Regular physical exercise improves blood flow to the brain. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats supports brain health. Managing blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar also helps protect the brain. Keeping your mind active by reading, learning new skills, solving puzzles, or playing strategy games strengthens connections between brain cells. Staying socially connected with family and friends may also help maintain cognitive function. Getting enough quality sleep every night allows the brain to remove waste products more efficiently. Avoiding smoking, limiting excessive alcohol consumption, and protecting your head from serious injuries are also important steps toward maintaining a healthy brain. Your brain stores every memory, every lesson, every dream, and every person you've ever loved. Alzheimer's disease slowly steals those memories, but every scientific discovery brings us one step closer to better treatments and, hopefully, a cure. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn more about the amazing human body. What part of the human body would you like us to explain next? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.